dramatic. All right, let's turn things over to Chief Meteorologist Jeff Ranieri. And Jeff, it's the first day of fall, but the temperatures don't really show that yet.
That's, right on track here with what we're seeing, Jessica. As you mentioned, over the next 7 days, we're going to see temperatures that are going to go more back to the peak of summer. So we've got a lot of ups and downs coming in that 7-day forecast. Let's go ahead and get you to some good, literally some good, and that is the air quality. Over the next 24 hours, we continue to expect that smoke to push off towards the east from any kind of fires nearby. So we're looking at all good across the entire Bay Area for that air quality tomorrow. We'll start off with that nice, cool, crisp air. Temperatures not too cold to begin. 62 for the South Bay Peninsula at 60, and the Tri-Valley 59. We'll see some patchy areas of fog near the coast, the Bay, and also into San Francisco. At my coldest temperature, 55 for the North Bay. Temperatures warm up a degree or two tomorrow, but it will remain relatively comfortable considering what's going to be coming our way. This will bring us to 85 in Los Gatos and 86 in Morgan Hill. More of those 80s for the inland valleys of the East Bay, but a little bit hotter. 88 in Concord, 89 Pittsburgh, and back to the Bay we'll have those 70s. More 70s right here through San Mateo for the peninsula, and down to Redwood City and Palo Alto I have bumped it up into the low 80s. San Francisco stays in the 60s with that westerly wind at 18 miles per hour. This will bring us to 69 in the Mission and 66 for the outer Sunset. And again, some of the best weather. Doesn't get much more perfect than that. 78 in Mill Valley tomorrow. Again, best weather right there in Mill Valley. So you got to get outside and enjoy it tomorrow because we have these big time changes moving on in. Let me show you what we're looking at. We're going to get hit here on two different angles. We have high pressure building offshore. That's going to drive down a little bit more of this northeasterly wind, a very dry wind for the hills. And then we're seeing dangerous heat at the same time build in from the south. So this means by the weekend, San Francisco goes into the 70s and 80s, likely 80s Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday in San Francisco. And for the inland valleys, we're going to 93 Saturday, 100 Sunday, 103 Monday, 101 on Tuesday. The heat will fade once we hit the following Thursday, 9/31, but our fire danger is going to be high. Fire weather watch in effect this weekend. While we may not feel super gusty winds down in the valleys at sea level, in the mountains of the North Bay, we could see those 20 to 40 mile per hour gusts. We'll have more as we get closer to that. Jess?
Okay, thanks, Jeff.